Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, English class. And children, till now we have done the practice exercise of present tense, which I gave you. Today I am giving you the solutions of the practice exercise which was related to past tense, right? So just look at the board and try to understand and try to solve these exercises and send them to me, okay? Just pay attention. The question is, put the verbs in brackets into suitable passive form. Don't forget to make any necessary changes in word order. If required, we can just change. So, the first sentence, I dash. The main verb is given in the bracket, that is refuse. Admission by the school authorities, and we have to change it to past perfect. Now what is the format of past perfect? Had plus weekly, right? In active form, and in passive form, had been plus weekly, right? So we have to make a passive form. So the passive form will be, this is the main verb. Main verb's third form is refuse, refused, right? And had been. I had been refused admission by the school authorities. Got it? Next, the vegetables dash washed by the cook. Now past indefinite, that is simple past. In simple past, what do we do? Subject plus helping verb of and then weekly verb, right? Plus the main thing. So third form of wash is washed. Vegetable is singular or plural? Plural. Past plural helping verb will be verb. The vegetables were washed by the cook. Now the third sentence. The final result dash compiled by the teachers, and we have to change it in past continuous form, that is the ing. And if you remember, whenever continuous form comes in active voice, then by making into passive voice, we use the word what? Being. So the format here will be V plus B plus V3, and here necessary helping verb and subject, right? So the final result is already given. Result is singular or plural? We don't know. Singular. Is being, sorry, not is, it will be, because it is past, the helping verb for singular will be was. Was being V3 form of the word compiled. Compiled. So this makes the passive voice. The final result was being compiled by the teachers. Now let's move to the fourth sentence. Fourth sentence, was the chief guest dashed by the principal? And we have to change it to past indefinite, means simple past. Simple past means was, were plus weekly form, right? Was, were, so because it is in question form, interrogative sentence, helping verb is already used here. Was the chief guest? What we have to do now? Only the V3 form is left. Honored. What is the third form of honor? Honored. Was here, it is already over here. So we don't have to use it. Got it? Now, fifth, dance class dash not conduct by the club. Now we have to do past continuous. Past continuous means was verb as helping verb, being plus the verb's third form, because it is continuous, so we will use being, right? So classes, singular or plural? Plural. Verb, because it is in continuous form, it has to be done in continuous form. So past continuous, not conduct, right? The main verb is being conducted. Now see, I have not used this not here. Where should I put not? Dance classes were not being conducted. So not will come here. The dance classes were not being conducted by the club. Next, sixth, had the posters. Now, the main verb is remove by you. Now, this is past perfect. What is the format of past perfect? Had plus be plus V3, right? But it is in interrogative form. And when we do it with interrogative, we put the helping verb, which is here, had, in the beginning. So this one is already put here. Now what is left? Been and V3 form. So had the posters been, remove, third form of remove, removed. I am erasing this. Remove. By you. Finished. Simple. Next. Change the sentences into passive form. Mohan Bagan won the final match. Now it is in which form? Past simple, right? Let us identify. See children, when we are changing from active to passive, it is very necessary for us to identify the subject, who is the doer, the main verb and the object. If these three things are not identified, अगर आपने ये तीनों नहीं पहचाने, तो आप इसको पैसिव में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. Got it? And then you will be in a fix कि what to do and how to do. तो बेटा बहुत सिंपल सा तरीका. Read the sentence first. Okay? And see what is the subject. Subject कौन होता है? Doer. Okay? So see who is the doer. Doer मतलब the one who is doing the action. जो action कर रहा है, जो काम कर रहा है. So काम is your verb. काम करने वाला is your doer. That is the subject. So काम क्या है? What is the work here? Won. Won is the past form of winning, जीतना. So this is your verb, right? Now who is doing this action? Mohan Bagan. Whatever it is, Mohan Bagan is your doer. Up to identify the object, as I have told you right in the beginning, we have to ask the question what or who. Mohan Bagan won what? The final match. Alright, answer. Alright? It's a noun pronoun. Yes. After the verb. Yes. And different from Mohan. That means it is object. ये आपका क्या है? Object. See, बच्चा, it is very necessary to know how to identify the object. If there is no object in the sentence, then you can't have the passive voice. And in these exercises, you will find that there are some sentences which cannot be changed into passive voice. They have purposely given you so that you can come to a perfection to the level of perfection. Okay. So if this is our object, obviously as per the rules we'll do the crisscross, and this the final match will come here. The final match. It is in simple past, so, and singular was. What is the third form of win? Won. Was won by who? Mohan Baga. That's your answer. The boys were catching butterflies. Now what is the verb here? What is the action doing here? Come is catching. This is your verb. Who is doing this? The boys. They are your subject, the doers. And boys were catching what? Butterflies. This is your object. Crisscross it. Butterflies. Singular or plural? See, before putting this thing, we must know ये वाला part. This will tell you कि कौन सा वाला past है. Past तो है, word से पता पड़ रहा है. Continuous, simple or perfect. This will tell you the verb. Got it? But now look here. कैसे? ing लगा देते हैं कौन सा? It is continuous. So it is past continuous. और past continuous का फंडा क्या है? We have to use BEING plus V3. So butterflies it is plural, so we use verb. Because it is in continuous form, this one, so we will write being, and third form of catch is caught. Got it? Butterflies were being caught by who? By the boys. Right? Next, the wind had blown away the clouds. Now what is the action? Come, blow. Blow means blown. It is the third form of blow. Blow, blew, blown. So this is already V3 form plus had. It means it is in past perfect form. So past perfect form में what do we do? Had plus been, B-E-E-N, been plus V3 form. This is our format. Okay. So this is our past perfect form. This is our verb. Who is doing this action? Wind. So this is our doer. And wind had blown what? The clouds. Right? Now let's crisscross. The clouds. Perfect form. So had, been. Third form, it is already perfect form, means the third form. Blown away by the wind. Got it? So this is the answer. Now next, that is fourth. A 5-year-old girl sang the hymn. Right? Now what is the verb? What is the action being done? Sang. Sang means sing, sang, sung. See children, when we are doing this, we should know the 3 forms of verbs also. So basic form is sing, Gana. Who is Gana dying? Who is singing? The 5-year-old girl. So this is your doer. This is sang is your verb. The 5-year-old girl sang what? The hymn. Hymn क्या होता है? What is hymn? भजन. भजन करते ना हम लोग. So these bhajans are called hymns. How do we pronounce them? him. N remains silent. Okay. So this is your object. Let's crisscross the him. Now which it is in past simple, na? So was, sing, sang, third form, sung. Sung by a 5-year-old boy. By a 5-year-old boy. Got it? It is not at all difficult, children. You all need to have a good grip over the verbs and the tenses. Then only you can do it. And you have done all these beforehand. Naveen sir has discussed these topics. He has taught you all these topics beforehand. So by now there should be no problem with it. Still you have, then you need to practice and revise those topics again. Okay? Now let's move ahead. He had already booked the seats. So in this sentence, children, what is the verb here? Book. We do the booking. That book. It is already in third form, weekly. Who has booked? We. We booked what? The seats. So this is a verb, this is our doer, and this is our object. Right? And had already says that it is in past perfect form. So the answer will be the seats had already, because it is in perfect form, we will put be. Third form of the verb, booked by. As per pronoun rules, we will change to us. By us. Next, the rich man was leading the procession. Procession, julus. So leading means moving in front, aage chalna, right? So this is our verb. Who was doing that? The rich man. So he is our doer. The rich man was leading what? The procession. Julus. So this is our object. Now just see which tense it is. Past continuous, and in past continuous we use been. Now let us start the procession. Because it is singular, was. Being, because it is in continuous form. Third form of lead, led. By the rich man. So children, here we have completed 2 sections of this exercise. You have to do this exercise with the help of the video and send me the pic of it. And children, without watching video, you will never be able to answer your exercises, your questions, because along with this exercise, I will be giving you one more exercise for practice. So children, I end up here, and the remaining part I will cover in the next video. Okay? Till then, thank you.